Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What up? So basically, I'm gonna put my 2 ID pictures on the screen, and you tell me I'm not qualified to be giving advice about how to look good in your ID picture. I'm the most qualified. I'm the supreme. I'm the queen of looking good in your ID pictures, period. So I'm gonna be showing you guys like what I do if I know I'm gonna be photographed, especially if I'm gonna be photographed like face on. This makeup is also really good for taking selfies. So I'm just gonna be giving you guys like tips about how to look good in like ID pictures, passport pictures, selfies, just all that. Like how I do my makeup so that when I'm being photographed, especially head on, how I can just look gorgeous and beautiful. All right, let's get started with the brows. So if I'm taking like an ID picture, I want my brows to have like a really nice arch. Not too thick, but like noticeable enough, because like when you take the picture, you know, your brows shape your face. So you want them to be real cute, but it's all about the arch when I'm taking an ID picture. When I want my brows to look like a little bit more dominant, especially like if I want like a really, I almost hit myself. Especially if I'm wanting like a really good arch, what I'll do is like, you know, comb through my brow hair first. So I'll like start in the arch area. That way I can build the brow around the arch. So if we want our arch to be a little bit higher, we go arch first. You see, boom, I've already established my arch. And so now everything else is just like backup dancers. Also, I'm wearing earrings, or like hoop earrings in specific, because like when you're taking an ID picture, what I really love to do is like wear your hair like in your favorite part, like middle part, side part, whatever, but like pull it back behind your ears and have cute earrings on because it'll really shape your face. I really like the way that my face looks shaped in studs and hoop earrings. So like when I go to take my ID pictures, like I have hoop earrings on. All right, so foundation obviously isn't super duper important for this, but it's just like, you know, the base of all your makeup. My favorite foundation is the Milani 2-in-1. This foundation, wow. We absolutely have no choice but to stand, period. This is my first time putting makeup on my face since I shaved my face, and I better see a difference. My skin is so bad right now. Like, I damaged my hair, my skin is bad. I'm gonna jump out a window. All right, now that we've given ourselves an even skin tone, let's move on to highlighting, contouring. Now this, like concealer is where it starts to get like important. So like you're gonna be photographed straight on. So you really wanna make sure that you are carving out your features, like highlighting and contouring to carve out your features the way that you want them to look dead on, if that makes sense. I mean, yeah, hopefully, whatever. I think it makes sense. I'm gonna take my mirror and I'm gonna look straight on and I'm gonna highlight that way, because like it's easy if you're in the mirror to be like this or like that, but you really wanna focus straight on. And this really comes into play too when you're blending it out. Like you just wanna make sure you look symmetrical, because science tells us that that's, you know, how we read things is beautiful, is symmetry. To get the most coverage out of this concealer, I'm gonna let it dry down just a little bit. This is the ColourPop No Filter concealer. I love this concealer. It's like the only concealer that can pull me away from the LA Girl Pro Conceal. So again, I'm gonna try to stay like head on and just blend out, and not too outward, because you know, you wanna look really snatched in your picture. You don't wanna make your face look too wide, but we're gonna be contouring too, so it's not a huge deal. But you don't wanna like blend too far out, because you want to look, you know, like all the beauty's right here in the center of your face, if that makes sense. You don't want to look too pulled, like too wide. And this is very similar to like my everyday look, but with this, I'm a lot more, you know, I'm like more precise with this, because I understand that your ID picture is like gonna be with you for a few years. You know, you can work the angles on the gram or like, you know, in a video or whatever, but like your ID picture, you need to look good straight on. And that ain't easy all the time. When I put concealer here, I like to keep it like right there above the lip and not like spread it out too much. And so now we have to contour to solidify the highlighted features. So for contour, I'm taking my e.l.f. cream contour palette. Looks like this. I'm gonna show you from far away because it's dirty, but like cream contour gets dirty, so like sue me, whatever. I'm gonna take an angled brush and we're gonna start with the nose contour because having a snatched nose contour is the most important thing, period. Like on my driver's license, the way that my nose is snatched, your favorite beauty guru could never. Okay, so I like to start at the tips of my nose. I start right here. Like that, and then I take it up. I go up into the eye socket and down the sides. And this, you want to make sure that this is symmetrical because looking good, like deadpan, like straight on, is all about being symmetrical. It's about symmetry. All right, now here, we want to contour not too harsh because think about it, when you, like, when do you really see your contour? From the side. So we want to bring it like down kind of close to the mouth, but close enough, like higher than like actually on your cheekbones, but close enough to the mouth to where you can see it, but not so close that you look like a drag queen. You know what I mean? There's nothing wrong with looking like a drag queen, but I love drag queens. They're prettier than me, but you just don't want to look like that for your ID picture if you're trying to be like effortless. So I'm going to, like, this is where I normally would contour, but if I'm going to get my ID picture taken, I'm going to contour higher than that. And I'm going to bring it like here. That way, see, when you look at me head on, you still can see it just a little bit, you know, like, you know, it's there, but the contouring on the cheeks isn't like a super, like a hyper focus for this because you're really not going to see it because you're not taking it from the side. But if you're taking a mug shot, when you turn to the side, you will look great. Then I'm going to take this like contouring, like sculpting brush and then blend that out. See, from the side it's there, but from the front you can tell, you can tell a little something. But like I said, if you're taking a mug shot, then it's more important that you get the side, like that you get the contour super, super snatched. Hopefully none of y'all are taking mug shots. He ain't worth it, sis. For blush, obviously without color, like, you know, if you're taking a black and white ID picture, and most of them are, I don't know, are all passport photos black and white? I don't know. But if you're taking like a black and white ID picture, blush won't matter. But if you're taking a colored ID picture, like, I don't know if passports are colored or not, or like for a school ID, and so you can see the color, blush will warm your face up, sis. So let's go ahead and put the blush on. I'm using an e.l.f. cream blush in the shade Soft Rose. I say this on my channel all the time. Blush is my favorite type of makeup product. I think that blush was made for brown girls. It looks so good on us. Highlight, if you're taking an ID picture. I mean, I don't wear a lot of highlight anyway, to be honest. So I'm just gonna skip it. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Powder and set my face so that I'm not shiny. I don't bake or anything. I really don't like to use powder at all if I can get away with it in my makeup. I don't like to use powder. Watch my copying Kylie Jenner's everyday makeup routine video and you will see me have a full-on like fit attitude meltdown because of all the powder I had to use in that video. Oh, I was so mad. All right, next for lips, if I'm gonna be photographed at all, like not even just for an ID picture, if I'm gonna be photographed, you better believe I'm gonna have like some overlined lip liner on. I just love the way that it looks. It makes me feel some type of way, y'all. I love overlining my lips. I am taking the Kiss lip liner in Wine. This is so bomb. My lips are crazy. I know, I'm finna fill them in. I'm taking the NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap. I love this color. All right, and now here's my secret. Here's like my top tier secret to being photographed. Like right next to the nose contour thing, big old lashes. I like to be photographed in big fluffy lashes because like the way that they like just hood your eye area and like the drama they create, oh my god, like mwah, outstanding. So I'm just taking some big old fluffy lashes. I'm just playing. Could y'all imagine? I bought these for a drag transformation I have coming up. I'm gonna be taking I Envy lashes in the shade 19 and in the collection Chic 3D. Y'all ask me all the damn time what my lashes are. Y'all be asking me in the comments below, on my Instagram pictures. Y'all be DMing me. Y'all be responding to my stories, and I'd be like, I don't remember. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna try to remember them from now on, or write them down, post pictures of them, put in my videos, whatever, because I know y'all want to wear cute lashes too. But just the drama and the way that lashes just like hood your face, like it really is all in the lashes, the brow arch, and the nose contour. That's where it all lies. All right, let me pause my Jenna Marbles so we can wrap this up. I'm in love with her. I'm watching her what's the best mascara to cry in video because big Cancer energy, big Cancer vibes, am I right? I look good enough to go take an ID picture, right? Of course I do. So let's recap what we learned today, boys and girls. When you're going to take your ID picture, highlight and contour right. Don't obsess about contouring the cheeks because if you're not taking a mugshot, you're not going to be hit from the side, then it's really not that big of a deal. But if you want to still see it like dead on a little bit, bring it like close enough to your mouth, but not too close. You want to have a snatched nose. You want to have snatched brows, especially the arch, for focus on the arch. And you want to have obnoxious lashes on if you're into that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Follow me on Instagram because I really want to hit 100K this year. I sound like Regina George in Mean Girls when she was like, I really want to lose 3 pounds. But yeah, I want to hit 100K this year. So follow me on Instagram and I'll see you guys in my next video.